All right, this is going to be Maggie May by Rod Stewart. So I'm going to start out with this little kind of mandolin thing that comes in later in the song. Use that as an intro. And then we'd be into the singing. So let's look at this. We got the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So dum da da dum da da dum, 0 2 3 5 3 2 0 3 2 0 3. And then you got 2 on the G string, open on the B string to come back into the 2nd time. You got this note. So dum da da dum da da dum, 3 sets of that. 0 2 3 5. Same thing, 3 sets on that one. 3 2 0 3 2 0 3. And we hit 2 G's, and then we're starting our verse. A to G, D twice, A to G again, and that's like that down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up is your strum. You can have A to G and D twice. Let's try that nice and slow. 2 3 4. And again. Now we're going G to D, and then G to A. Now our next part's going to have E minor, up to F sharp minor, back to E minor, and then A sus to A. So that could be like an A7, where you have a 2030 to a 2020, or you could do like an A with a 222 and get a 3 down here in the 2nd string. Lift it out and kind of keep that bottom one muted if you do that one. So we got E minor, A, sus to A, and then E minor to A, 3 times. D, longer. Okay, and then a new verse will start. 2 3 and A, G, D twice. Same thing, A to G. Twice, then G D, G A, E minor, F sharp minor, back to E minor, A sus to A, and then we got E minor to A 3 times. As long. Okay, then there'll be a whole nother set of verse in there, all that same stuff, and then there's gonna be a solo. Okay, so let's take a look. We got the 9th fret to the 11th on the G string, down to that 10 on the B string. And then, so that was that 9 to 11 again, to 9, 7 to 9 on the big one. We'll do it again. Then we're going to have, so that was 9 to 11, 10 to 12, back to that 11. Let's try all that. And then kind of a, so that was like a ding, da, do, da, do, kind of lower stuff there. And then the second one starts with that same way. But then we're going to go 10, 10. kind of ends with a little 10-12 there. So I'm going to run that one more time, nice and slow. This will be in the tab. We're going to have another set of the verse after that little solo. So I'm going to skip the second time of this. G to D, G to A. Then we got our E minor to F sharp minor, E minor to A sus. Then we got our E minor A 3 times. And then you've got like a double that length of solo. And it's a little bit different, but you could basically get away with that solo a couple more times in there. Now the chords behind that solo. So E minor, A, D to G. Now this time, at the 4th time of that second solo, we're going back into that thing. And so the chords on that are like E minor, G, D. So E minor, G, and double D there. It's going to take you out. Okay, Maggie May by Rod Stewart. And let's look at that line one more time. All right, thanks for watching. Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. If you haven't been here before, please like and subscribe. We'll check you out soon. Happy holidays.